Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna in the oven. First, select high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Next, preheat your oven to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This consistent temperature ensures your tuna cooks perfectly, locking in all its natural flavors and moisture. We're aiming for a delicious, restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Now, let's get those tuna steaks seasoned and seared. Liberally apply salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like dried dill or parsley. Then, place an oven-safe skillet on your stovetop over medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully add your tuna steaks. Sear them for just 1 to 2 minutes on each side, creating a lovely golden brown crust that seals in the juices. With a beautiful sear on both sides, it's time to finish cooking in the oven. Carefully transfer your hot, oven-safe skillet directly into the preheated 400-degree oven. For a perfect medium rare, which is highly recommended, bake the tuna for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking time will vary slightly based on the thickness of your steaks. For precision, aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer. The final, crucial step for incredibly tender tuna is resting. Once removed from the oven, let your tuna steaks rest on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the fish, preventing them from running out when you slice. Finally, slice your tuna against the grain into beautiful, half-inch thick pieces. Serve immediately and savor the perfectly cooked, flavorful tuna you've created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.